create account on Perplexity AI. So this is the main website. You will go on the left side and sign up. You can sign up with Google, Apple, or SSO, or you can just enter your email. I will go with Google. I will choose one of my email addresses and I will just get in. So next, you can go to options. You can change the appearance to dark or system. I will go with the system one. It's one, I guess. And you can choose different languages. You can choose avatar, subscription, and everything more. From the home, you can just go on the left side to home and you can type in everything. For example, 25 million bounty for Venezuela's Maduro. And you can just type any questions and it will give you a full deep dive answer with all of the services, all of the videos and everything. You can search with videos, generate images or search images. That's it. That's for this video. See you in the next one.